In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Beats Solo Buds with your Android smartphone. This is very easy and it can be done in just a few minutes. So let's get started right away. These are compatible with Fast Pair, which means you can pair them in like 3 seconds almost. You need Android 6.0 or higher. If this does not work, I'll also show you how to do it manually. So the first thing is turn on your Android smartphone or tablet. It works both ways. Make sure that your earbuds are in the case and keep the lid open for a few seconds while bringing them close to your Android. Then you should get this appearing on the screen and press connect. Then press setup. And then you'll hear different noise coming out of the case, out of the earbuds. You need to press allow. Press got it. And this over here is the Beats app. If you have an Android device, I highly suggest you get the free Beats app from the Android Play Store. This way you'll know the battery percentage, you'll be able to rename them and customize some settings that you will not be able to do if you do not have the Beats app. I even suggest you download the Beats app before even starting what I showed you now, because then when you press setup, it will launch the app directly and you'll have access to all these different features. What if you didn't got the message at the beginning over here to press and pair them? You can always do it manually if this does not appear. And to do so, you need to put these Beats into pairing mode. So open the case with them inside and then press either of these. Keep it hold until you hear a noise coming out of them. Usually it's after 3 seconds. So let's do it. I'm keeping press. Okay, you see this sound over here? This means they're in pairing mode. And once they're in pairing mode, if you do not get the screen I got, and then you need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your Android smartphone while keeping the case open. So from here, I'll open settings, then go over here, connections, Bluetooth. And afterwards, you should see the Beats appearing over here in available devices. Mine are already paired with my phone. That's why they're here, Beats Solo Buds. But if you're trying to pair them, you should see here, tap on them and you'll be done. On some Android smartphone, you can simply drag from the top of the screen and you'll get the battery left in each earbuds, left and right. And if you press on them, you'll be able to rename them and do certain things without the app, but it's quite limiting. This is why I highly suggest you get the Beats app where you'll get all the informations. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.